I'm filming. Okay, I'll just film.
Okay, you're filming. And this part always scares me, this part right here.
Why?
I'm always afraid this thing's gonna like fall in.
I don't know, because it's like so like...
I like this part.
Dude, it's fine.
It's still dark. You can look at the window.
$1, babe.
Somebody needs to stop bouncing. Justina!
Sorry.
Oh God.
Someone jump. Someone jump. Someone jump. Someone jump. Stop.
Everybody jump at the same time. They just race.
Bad idea. Keep on playing.
Oh, I'm recording.
That's supposed to be off, miss.
This is my favorite part. We're lifting. Oh my God! This is fun.
Oh my God. This isn't that bad, but Justina, please.
Isn't it beautiful, Katie?
Sure, why not?
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Again, please do not get up on the seatbelt sign.
Hi, Katie.
Hi. Hey, I can actually see the people in the cars now. Whoa, the trees don't look like moss anymore.
No, I want to go back. I like it up there.
Oh yes, we're going down. Wait,